ಹಾಯ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸುಮಿ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ರೆಡಿಮೇಡ್ ಬ್ಲೌಸಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಗತಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು. ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾನಸಿ, ಹಾಯ್, hello. So we have a beautiful collections in Pragati International ready-made blouses with beautiful embroidery design, pattern blouses, sequence blouses, everything. So I'll start showing you. See the first blouse. See, this is how it is. See the blouses, okay, ready-made blouses, okay. The sleeves is inside and this is all sequence blouse. Tumba chenagirodu. You have a back button, okay, so with beautiful tassels, okay. See, beautiful tassels. So this is all in a nominal price, that's of 700 rupees. See how beautiful it is. It's a grey color. So it's all depends on your sizes, how much you see. There is an extensions of the blouses also. They have given a space. Can you see this much of space is there? So you can extend for sizes of 40, okay. See, this is how it is. So sequence blouse, a beautiful ready-made blouse for the Christmas and New Year celebration. You can grandly go out with these kinds of blouses, okay. So this is one. Next, see how beautiful it is. All embroidery all over. So can you see how beautifully designed, okay, all over embroidery design, okay. For the hands it is a heavy work, okay. See, I'll show you. See, all 3/4 sleeves it is. Can you see how beautiful it is? See, okay, beautiful embroidery blouse, okay. So beautiful embroidery blouse, can you see? So this is how it is, and this is black color and back side. So this is a back view. Can you see? This is a back view. A beautiful blouse design, okay, all over embroidery, okay. And this is the front, and this is the sleeves, okay. So this is the sleeves. A beautiful embroidery pattern designed blouses, okay. So colors also available and sizes also available. You can just contact them, okay. So this is also priced at 700 rupees. A beautiful design, okay. ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, how beautiful it is. So this is of 700 rupees, just 700 rupees, okay. Just call them for the given number so you can inquire for the sizes and the colors, okay. So this is how it is, okay. The same way, one more maroon color. See, maroon color, fully embroidery all over, okay. See, and this is the sleeves. Can you see the sleeves? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, okay. So this is how it is, the sleeves. Can you see? Okay, beautifully designed embroidery pattern, okay. Can you see? All over embroidery. See, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೈಡಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೈಡಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಾಜ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ರಾಣಿ, ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಬ್ರೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗ್ರೂಮ್, okay. Can you see? This is a groom and this is a bride, okay. This is how it has been designed, okay. See, this is a back side. Can you see? Bride and groom, bridal collections. These are all bridal connections. So you have a bride and grooms, a beautifully designed with the nominal price of 700. So I can guarantee you, each hodre you can take it for at least 1200, 1500 it is, but here it is just for 700 rupees. See, so how beautiful it is, so nice, okay. So this is how. So adralle nimage colors, okay. So this is how there are colors. See, black, okay. So this is black, okay. See all pattern, okay, ella embroidery iruantaddu. Okay, I have shown you a single pieces in all the patterns and designs, the same colors and designs you get it. You can opt for a call and you can just choose whatever you like. See the sequence blouse. Can you see the sequence blouse? And one more, I'll just open it for you. So this is multicolor. So multicolor blouse. Okay, so this is how it is. See, okay, and this is how the pattern is at the back side, and tying you get it lower part. Okay, tying you get it at the lower part. So beautiful design. Okay, so this is how it is. See, okay, this is also priced at nominal range. Okay, this is also of 700. Okay, and you have beautiful tassels. Okay, see, tassels all over. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so you have colors in this. Beautiful multicolors. This is pink multicolors. Okay, so this is how it is. So all of same patterns with beautiful tassels. Okay, so ready-made blouses. One more. See, this is one more light babyish pink, a beautiful combination for the girls. Actually they love it, this pink color. So this is how it is. So this is how beautiful tassels, how beautiful tassels are there. See, okay, so this is how it is. All are the same price. Okay, you can, so this is one more with beautiful multicolor. Okay, printed one. This is all floral print. That was embroidery design and sequence blouse, and this is a floral print, a beautiful design. Okay, so this is how it is. You have colors. These are all new stocks which has arrived just now, so I am showing to you. See, golden color suits for all kinds of sarees. Okay, see, pink color sequence blouse. Okay, this is pink color sequence. See, this is white. Okay, you can see the full ready-made, all are embroidery designed. Okay, so front buttons. Okay, beautiful patterns. Can you see? This is orange. Okay, so this is one of the beautiful, the same bride and groom concept. Okay, so beautiful, nice one. All are like bridal collections. You can use it. See, I hope outside you can buy it for at least maximum 3,000, such kind of bridal collection blouses. So but now you are getting it for the nominal price of 700 rupees. Just 700, just okay. So you can just go for these kinds of ready-made blouses at Pragati International. Okay, you can just order online also, sitting at home, taking a screenshot either, or you can just give a call and make a video purchase also. See, this is how it is. So this is all ready-made blouses, a beautiful ready-made blouses. This is one more. See, bridal collections. Okay, these are all bridal collections, heavy embroidery design. Okay, so this is how it is. You have lots and lots of bridal collections like this, and you have a sequence blouse, you can floral design, everything. Okay, you can just, all these things are for 700. Just for 700 rupees you can go for this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this show. Okay, keep shopping. Okay, so I have given a number, just call for them. Okay, so this is how it is, today's show. Ready-made blouses for the Christmas and New Year. I hope you can all go for just like that, wear it and go. Okay, so it is all superb collections. So this is all. Okay, thank you.